A few days back, one of my relatives visited to my house and they suddenly asked me what's my Wi-Fi password because they wanted to connect their devices to my Wi-Fi network. But at this point, I was really confused because I didn't remember what my Wi-Fi password was. So this situation may have arisen with you too. So in this video, I am going to share two methods through which you can know your Wi-Fi password with the connected devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let's get to our computer screens and see how this method works. So now we will get to our computer screens. On the computer screen, first you will have to open the command prompt. After opening the command prompt here, you will have to type NETSH space VLAN space show space profile space name is equal to. Now in order to know the name of your Wi-Fi network, you will first have to go in the Wi-Fi settings and here you can see the connected Wi-Fi network. From here you can get the name of your Wi-Fi network. After knowing the name of your Wi-Fi network, here you can type the Wi-Fi network name and again space key is equal to clear. Now as you can see, there are a lot of options which have appeared on our screen. Here you will have to search for security settings and in here there is an option called as key content. The key content is basically your Wi-Fi password. So that was the first method which we saw in order to find out our Wi-Fi network. Now we will know the second method. Now we are going to see the second method in order to find out your Wi-Fi password. In second method, we will use the control panel. Now in the search, you will have to search control panel and then go into the control panel. Here in the view by, select large icons instead of category. Here you will be able to see network and sharing center. And here you will see an option called as connections. Here the name of the Wi-Fi which is connected to your computer will be displayed. Just you have to click on that Wi-Fi network. Here you will have to go on the option wireless properties. Here you will have to go in the security option and now this is your network security key. As you can see, this is hidden. There is an option given below which says show characters. As soon as you click the tick mark, you will be able to see the Wi-Fi password. So that was it, and that was the second easiest method through which you can see your Wi-Fi password. So that were the two methods through which you can know your Wi-Fi password in seconds. So how was the video? If you liked the video, then do hit the like button. If you have any questions, then you can ask the questions in the comment down below and also subscribe to my channel in order to get more such technical videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.